Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add phone number on Temu. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Temu app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now go to profile as shown here on bottom. Once you click on it, it will navigate you to this interface. So you tap on this setting icon and now tap on account security. So here you can see mobile phone number. In order to add, simply tap on add button, and here you need to select your country code and then type in your phone number. Once you're done, simply tap on submit button. So this is how you can add your phone number. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.